Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. I'm your Samsung product consultant. Today we are not looking at just an ordinary washing machine. Today we are analyzing the WW7000D series in complete detail, from the hardware to the software, from the motor to the drum. This is where Samsung takes AI technology to the peak, offering a massive 11 kilograms capacity while maintaining standard dimensions. After watching this video, you won't need to watch another review. If you're ready, let's dive in with an expert's eye. The first thing that grabs your attention is the capacity. This machine holds a full 11 kilograms. But here is the shocker. It has the exact same external dimensions as your old 8 or 9 kilograms machine at home. So how did Samsung achieve this? The answer is SpaceMax technology. Through a marvel of engineering, the internal volume is expanded while the external depth stays at a standard 60 centimeters. This means even if you have a tight space in your bathroom, you no longer need to go to the dry cleaners for your duvets. Speaking of design, this door you see isn't ordinary plastic. It is tempered glass. It is incredibly resistant to scratches and breakage, maintaining its brand new shine for years to come. Let's get to the brain of this machine, AI EcoBubble. You probably know the old EcoBubble technology. It frothed the detergent to penetrate fabric 40 times faster. But in this machine, artificial intelligence comes into play. When you throw your laundry in, sensors detect the fabric type and weight. If you are washing delicate silk, it increases the foam and lowers the spin speed. If you are washing heavy denim, it increases the power. Most importantly, thanks to this technology, you get hot water performance even with cold water. This extends the life of your clothes while significantly lowering your energy bill. You are looking at one of the most efficient machines on the market right now. This device uses 20% less energy than even the standard Class A rating. But the real revolution is on your phone. When you activate AI energy mode via the SmartThings app, the machine uses the heater less and relies on the power of bubbles for washing. This feature can save you up to 70% on your annual energy consumption. The app even shows you exactly how much money you've saved at the end of the month. Here is a vital feature, especially for those with babies or allergies. Hygiene steam. Unlike other machines, Samsung releases steam from the bottom of the drum, not the top. This ensures the steam penetrates deep into every single item. It eliminates 99.9% of bacteria and allergens. It doesn't just clean, it sterilizes. I know you hate those slimy residues left in the detergent drawer. This machine has a Stay Clean drawer. A special water jet system flushes the drawer with every wash, leaving zero detergent residue. And of course, the heart, the digital inverter motor. Samsung trusts this motor so much that they offer a 20-year warranty on the part. It is quiet, vibration-free, and built to last a lifetime. When your machine gets dirty, it notifies you. With the Drum Clean Plus program, it cleans itself using only high speed and hot water. No chemicals needed. It even blasts away dirt from the door gasket with pressurized water. To summarize, if you have a large family, if you want to wash duvets at home, if you care about your electricity bill, and if your motto is buy once, buy the best, the WW11DB7B34GEAH is one of the smartest investments you can make right now. If you have any questions or doubts, write them in the comments. I answer every single one. Don't forget to subscribe for the most accurate information in the world of Samsung. See you in the next review.